Establishing a continuous process improvement cycle is an organized and planned effort where an organization commits to an ongoing loop of evaluation and refinement. This isn't about patching up work routines as problems occur. It is a long-term strategy to reduce variation and eliminate complexity. According to the handbook, the cycle truly begins with a critical decision: selecting the process. When an organization first starts its improvement journey, senior management typically takes the lead by identifying problem areas and nominating the first processes to be investigated. However, as the quality culture matures, potential improvements can be identified at any organizational level by any employee, provided they have supervisor approval. The sources outline several vital considerations for choosing the right process to ensure the team's efforts yield the greatest impact. First and foremost is customer focus. Total quality is predicated on understanding what is important to the customer. Whether a work unit is large or small, the starting point for selection should be data from internal or external customers regarding their satisfaction or dissatisfaction with current deliverables. Second is the scale of the project. The handbook advises that it is best to start on a small scale. Once participants prove they can handle a simple process, they can move on to more complex challenges. This progression, moving from simple to complicated and from better performing to worse performing processes, builds organizational confidence. Third is frequency and observation. The selected process must occur often enough that the team can observe it in action and document it accurately. If the process is too rare, data collection becomes a bottleneck. Fourth is the project timeline. To keep members engaged, the team should be able to complete at least one improvement cycle within 30 to 90 days. If a project drags on longer without results, the team may lose interest or momentum. Fifth is the definition of process boundaries. The team must clearly identify the starting and stopping points of the process. This framework ensures that all steps required to meet the improvement objective are contained within the team's scope. To aid in this selection, the sources recommend using a Pareto analysis. This tool allows the team to use preliminary data to identify the vital few factors or problems that occur most frequently, ensuring that resources are directed where they can do the most good. Finally, management must consider the sustainability of the workforce. Because improvement is a continuous endeavor, the handbook emphasizes team member rotation. By avoiding overusing the same individuals for consecutive projects, the organization prevents personnel burnout and ensures that as many employees as possible participate in the improvement cycle. By carefully selecting processes that are customer-aligned, manageable in scope, and data-driven, an organization sets the foundation for a learning system that drives operational excellence.